Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill dates. If you work with schedules, timelines, or logs, filling out dates manually can be tedious. The good news is, your spreadsheet can do the repetitive work for you. We'll cover two simple techniques that use the fill handle. A small but powerful tool that speeds up data entry. Start by typing your first date in a cell, like the starting day of your list. Make sure you enter it in a standard date format so the spreadsheet recognizes it as a date and not plain text. Once that first date is in place, click the cell to select it. Look closely at the bottom right corner of the selection box. You'll see a tiny square. That's the fill handle. Hover your cursor over it until the pointer changes to a small cross. Then click and drag downward to fill the cells below. As you drag, you'll typically see a small preview showing the date that will land in the last cell of your selection. Release the mouse, and your dates will populate in sequence, one day at a time. If you notice that the results don't look like dates, double-check that the starting entry was recognized as a date and not stored as text. Also, be mindful of any blank rows you might have dragged over. The fill will still work, but the sequence may include those empty cells. For long lists, T here is an even faster variation. If you already have data in the column directly to the left of your dates, you can let the spreadsheet decide how far to fill. Type your starting date, select that cell and then double-click the fill handle instead of dragging it. The dates will automatically fill down to the last row where the neighboring left column contains data. This is especially handy for long tables or imported datasets because it saves you from scrolling. Keep in mind that this method stops when it hits a blank cell in the left column. So if the data to the left has gaps, the autofill will pause at those breaks. If you need to continue past a blank, you can repeat the double-click from the next section where the left column resumes. That's it. 2 quick ways to autofill dates. Click and drag for precise control, or double-click for instant filling down to the end of your data. Use whichever feels faster for the task at hand, and you'll keep your workflow smooth and consistent. Thanks for watching.